Hey everyone, so I wanted to do a video while I was down here working on the truck. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see that because I'm using my front facing camera because my back camera doesn't work and I don't have my GoPro set up yet. But essentially what I'm doing is I'm cleaning all my electrical connectors because that's what we believe um, is causing the truck not to start. So I have this OD electric cleaner got from Advanced Auto, and one day I'm gonna read the instructions on this, or not the instructions, but the ingredients on this, and on this, because essentially they could be all the same, just marketed differently. It's one of the things I kind of think about as I'm working on vehicles is why waste money on something when uh, you can get it for cheaper, but you have to understand what you're willing to pay for and the quality that you're willing to get. So when you don't spend a lot of money, then are you getting your best bang for your buck? Oh. Yeah, so that was just hanging out over here on the fender well, I guess from when I was cleaning earlier. Yeah, so essentially I'm gonna put the phone down. I might start rambling or whatever. Just talking. Don't mind me. If you don't want to listen, don't listen. If you do, go ahead. I'd like to hear what you guys have to think in the comments while I get this clean. Once again, hopefully the fan is not too loud. I had one person tell me I need a better microphone. I will be getting a better microphone. They gave me a link to the microphone they use, so I will be getting that in a little bit. Let me see if I can kind of set my phone up here on my brake pad, so that way you can at least see my face and you're not just looking at something random like, I don't know, the top of the fender well. But yeah, get that. And then, so I get back in here. Alright, next one. Actually, you know what? I don't think I'm ever gonna read the ingredients because they have different textures to them, which already means they're not the same. This one's not really locking like it's supposed to. Kinda wish it would. Oh. What's on there? Next we're gonna go up top. Oh no, we got one more over here. So it's kind of in there. All the little dirt and debris and dust particles are Raining down on my face. That one's on there tight. Right, I think right. Nope. You are on there. Alright. Let's stick you right there. Okay. Now we can head up top. I really hope that I have a video editor to help me with all these dead spots and everything in the future. Okay. Whew. It's a workout on your shoulders when you're old. Okay, so now I get my fancy pad. Not really anything special. When my wife worked from home at Amazon, we ordered a bunch of office stuff, and so this is just getting repurposed since that desk isn't really being used right now, but who knows in the future when I get my video editing skills down. Yeah, who knows, we'll see. But yeah, it's made by Wonder Gel. I don't really know the company. I think we got it on Amazon, you know. Amazon's full of a bunch of small businesses and stuff. Hopefully one day I'll have my own Amazon store or whatever Amazon people have. Woo! Okay. So, what we're going to do is unplug all these connectors again, spray them off, make sure that we're getting charge. Why do these not want to move so well? Alright, well, I'm going to leave that one on there so I don't break it. All of these went on here really, really tight. So I'm going to leave you on there. I just don't want to break these right now. So, actually not going to take a majority of them off. I'm going to spray this one now for the throttle body sensor. That one came out pretty easy. Okay. So everything's on there. Ouch. Everything's good. Knees don't hurt thanks to Wonder Gel. So let's get some cables on it and see what happens. Alright, we're gonna go start up Ria's car. Okay, that's different. Let's go check. Oops. Inside of the truck, because that sounds like it's really kicking. All right. Nope. Same issue. All right. Let's go diagnose some more. Like, just don't know. You know what? Actually, I'll see if it does even try and charge for a while. Alright. I want to see. It's like a starter cable. I don't know. We'll go back under and check. Because there were actually a few more cables I was supposed to check that I didn't think about. So set you up there. Alright. Oh. Alright, so let's see. Ah, that one came loose pretty easy. So we'll pop it back together. That is found our issue. Okay. I already know what it is. Hi. So glad I have this extra one here for demonstration purposes. Basically, in the back, behind all the fuel injector sensors, right on top of the engine, is a ground wire. I just felt my ground wire, and I believe it's broken. I don't know how or why, because it wasn't broken when I had put it on there. But what that means is I probably have to take the intake back off to really get access to see it. So I'm gonna at least be here for another 2 hours and all that. Nala, come say hi to the people. That's Nala. I'm watching her for a friend. She'll be with me for quite a while in most of the videos. She's gonna be riding with me to Charlotte. So I'm gonna go ahead and diagnose this and get back to you guys after I figure it out and make sure that that's what the issue is. If I have to take the intake off, I'll take the intake off. That's not going to be a problem. It's just really being able to get back there and see in that location. So like, subscribe, follow, all that. Let me know and comment. Hey, if you guys knew I should have double triple checked it, let me know. Like, hey, this is something I'm learning. So alright, bye.